Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. This beautiful AT4 is powered by the 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen, Apple Carplay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, integrated chiller braking system and USB ports, all black interior, dual glove boxes, and our heated and ventilated black leather Sierra AT4 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Duratrac all-terrain tires. We have color matched door handles with keyless entry all around, AT4 on the front door and 5.3 liter V8 on the front fender. The AT4 comes with the factory 2-inch lift up front, making room for those big wheel and tires. We have LED daytime running lamps, fog lights, as well as the red signature recovery hooks, color matched grille with the gray inserts. Coming to the back, rear tinted privacy windows and blacked out window trim. Truck does have the LED brake lights, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, as well as the GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well. In-seat storage feature, solid rear window with defrost and a solid roof over top with the black headliner. We have LED lighting as well and dual USB ports, rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.